All right. First to go is DK. DK,
Yeah.
choose your topic. Can we have the topics on screen, please? Your topics are ducks, umpires, politics, nicknames, controversy, and T20 hat-tricks.
Politics.
T20 hat-tricks.
T20 hat-tricks. Other participants, please don't speak out of turn.
Okay.
T20 hat-tricks. And your question is, who was the first bowler to take a hat-trick in T20 internationals? And the time starts now. 5 seconds on the clock.
Malinga?
Lasith Malinga is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Brett Lee. Okay. Next is Akhil. Akhil, please select your topic.
Politics.
Politics. All right. Okay. Can we have the question, please?
By question, yeah. With a,
Which cricketer joined the BJP, contested and lost the Kerala Assembly elections from Trivandrum in 2016?
Srisant?
Srisant is the right answer. Well done.
क्या बात है?
एक ही तो मलबारी है.
और जिसको
Okay.
पूछा वो भी मलबारी है.
Wait.
Basta?
I'm a Mallu.
Controversy.
Controversy. Okay. Interesting topic. And your question is, which cricketer fell in the rough waters of the Caribbean Sea in a drunken state during the 2007 ODI World Cup and was then banned for one match? Your time starts now. Five seconds on the clock.
I think it's Warner.
Incorrect. The
It's
correct
Warner,
answer
yeah.
is
I think the rider.
the correct answer is Andrew Flintoff.
Can we name a SFICC cricketer who's done the same thing?
Sir, but this was only banned for one match.
Anil Adnani.
Duck.
Okay, Anil, select your topic, please. Ducks. Okay. And your question is, with a minimum of 50 ODI innings, who is the only batsman who has not scored a duck in his career? And the time starts now. 5 seconds on the clock.
Virat.
Sorry?
Virat.
Virat Kohli is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is legend Kelpo Vessels.
ये बहन जो कौन है यार?
This is the end of round 2.
भाई साउथ अफ्रीका का ओपनर था once upon a time, one of the best batsmen in the world.
Momo, can we have the scores, please?
The scores right now are Akhil at 20, DK Anil at 10, Basta at 5.
Okay. Guys, this brings us to the end of round 2, and here we start round 3, which is the rapid fire round. You guys know the drill. 10 questions, 10 marks for the right answer, -5 for wrong answer, or no answer, or answer before the host calling out your name. Okay, there will be no warnings in this game, so please, only your names. That's it.
Okay.
There will be a buzzer, and there will be a timer for the answer. Again, it will be Momo who will adjourn the guy who goes first. Okay. Everyone can hear me, right?
Yes, Mallu.
Yeah, no lags. All right. Okay. Let's have the first question for the rapid fire, please. Which bowler has the record of taking most 4+ wickets in a match in T20 internationals?
Anil.
DK.
Anil.
Momo, 1 minute. I think I heard Anil first.
Okay.
Anil. I heard
Anil.
Yeah. Okay. Anil, go for it.
I can't. I'm having a lag here.
Okay.
Malinga.
Malinga is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Omar Gul. Okay. Second question, please. Which cricketer was tested positive for a banned substance just prior to the 2003 ODI World Cup?
Akhil. Shane Warne.
Anil.
अखिल
Akhil,
बोला
you-
यार, अखिल शेन वॉर्न.
Akhil, you will have to wait for me to say your name. But you are the only one here. I'll give it to you. Next
I
time,
said Anil also.
Sorry.
only say your name. I will ask you to say the answer.
Okay. Sorry,
Please.
sorry, madam.
Chain 1 is the right answer. Akhil gets it. Question number 3. Apart from Australia, which other team forfeited their matches to Sri Lanka in the 1996 ODI World Cup?
Akhil,
Akhil, go for it.
West
Go ahead,
Indies.
West Indies is the right answer. Well done. Question number 4. Who was the man of the match in the final of the 2014 World T20 played between India and Sri
Anil.
Lanka?
Danish.
Anil.
Yes, we heard
Anil.
Anil first. Anil.
Sangakkara.
Kumar Sangakkara is the right answer. He scored 52 runs of
Shit.
35 balls and they were chasing a target of 131 runs. Well done. Question number 5. Which country made their debut in the World T20s in the 2016
Akhil.
edition?
Akhil.
Momo, I think, but can you confirm?
Akhil.
Akhil,
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan is the incorrect answer. The
Basta,
correct answer
Josefa.
is- No, there is no pass. There is no pass. There is no
So
pass.
can I say?
in this round.
Whatever.
Yeah, go for it. The answer is on the screen though.
Oh, okay.
But did you guess, Oman?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Question number 6. Which of these players have not played Test cricket for West Indies? Carlos
One second.
Brathwaite, Chris Gale,
Sorry.
Ashley Nurse,
Akhil.
Andre Russell.
Akhil.
Anil. The screen is lagging, man.
Guys, hold on.
Akhil.
Guys, hold on. Momo?
I heard Akhil first.
I heard a kill as well.
Andre
Uh,
Russell.
Can I say the answer, please? Can I say the answer?
No, it's Akhil.
Andre Russell, भाई मेरा चांस है, तू कहाँ आंसर दे रहा है?
Andre Russell
Okay,
is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Ashley Nurse.
Yes. अबे यार.
Basta, if you
Basta
are
का ही
confident,
chance
go for it, Basta. Go for it. Don't
Okay,
wait.
fine.
Make sure the screen is not lagging, yeah.
नहीं भाई, it's all right. But बाकी participants भी बोलते हैं ना. And I'm only asking the question once it's on the screen. I'm not jumping the gun. Question number 7, please. Who was the first player to score a century in a T20 World Cup?
Anil.
Suresh Raina.
Anil.
Raina.
Yes.
Raina.
Raina
Gale.
is the incorrect
Gale.
answer. The correct answer is Basta. What's the correct answer?
Chris Gale.
Chris Gale is the right answer. But Basta, come on, you have to say the buzzer. That's how it works.
Basta. Quick Basta. Basta quickly.
Okay, question number 8. Which player has won the man of the match award the maximum number of times in Test cricket?
Anil.
Only one call here. Anil, go for it.
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid is the incorrect answer.
I think it's Sachin.
Incorrect. The
Jack
correct
Ellis.
answer is Jack Ellis.
चुप कर रही है.
Question number 9. Who holds the record for the fastest to 100 wickets in ODIs?
Fastest to 100.
Anil.
Anil, go for it.
Rashid Khan.
Rashid Khan is the right answer. Well done. Question number 10. Which bowler dismissed Brian Lara bowling with a broken jaw?
Akhil.
Yes, only one call here. Akhil, go for it.
Anil Kumble.
Anil Kumble is the right answer. Well done. This brings us to the end of round 3. Momo, scores please. ए डीके है क्या इधर?
हाँ होगा.
गायब है वो.
भाई डीके है?
हाँ.
All right, the scores are right now Akhil is leading at 40, Anil with 15, DK at 10,
Come
sorry,
on, यार.
and Basta at 5.
Okay, fine. All right. Guys, end of round 3, start of round 4. Can we have the rules, please? This is called the bulldozer round. You have to identify a player. You get 4 clues per question. There are total 3 questions. 20 marks for the right answer in the first clue, 15 for the second clue, 10 for the third clue, 5 for the fourth clue. For every wrong answer or no answer, you get -5. There is a buzzer. The rules remain the same, but only in this that if the answer is incorrect, I will open it for you again. That the answer is incorrect and then the buzzer starts. Strictly fair weather warning. If you speak out the answers, even if it's right or wrong, I will give you a -5 straight away. Okay? Please, only your names. Can we have the first question, first clue, please? I am one of the 3 players to score 1000 plus runs and 50 plus wickets in each of the 3 formats of the game.
Anil.
Yes, Anil.
One of the 3 players to score on. Afridi.
Afridi is the incorrect answer. It is still open for the public. If anyone wants to guess, the buzzer is still on. Anil, you can also take a second guess by calling out your name.
Jack Callis.
You have to call out your name. Incorrect.
Anil.
Incorrect. Clue number 2. I was the spokesman for my team during players' strike, which resulted in the India tour being cancelled halfway in 2014.
Anil.
Momo?
Anil.
Basta.
Anil.
Basta.
Anil, go ahead.
Anil, go for it.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Which Bravo?
Dwayne Bravo.
Dwayne Bravo is the right answer. Well done. I only asked because there was a Darren Bravo in the squad as well at that time.
वो क्रिकेट खेला किधर है यार?
Chalo. Okay, well done. You get 15 marks for the right answer in the second guess, but you also get a -5 for the first incorrect.
minus
Number
10
2.
उसका
He gets
-10
-10. He gets -10.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, -10.
So I got
Yeah.
plus 15. No, I'm still in positive. Relax. Second question.
Second question, first clue, please. I enrolled in law university but could not complete my degree due to my cricket commitments. ये अच्छा बहाना दे दिया.
नाम पता है.
Clue number 2, please. I scored a record 2,868 runs in 2014 in all formats. Clue number 3, please.
Anil.
Anil, go for it.
Sangakkara. He's a law
Kumar
student.
Sangakkara is the right answer. Well done. We will have to give it to him in the second clue because I had not started the third clue.
Okay.
And the last question for the night. Can we have the first clue, please? I am the only Indian to score 105 consecutive test matches. Clue number 2.
Basta.
Okay, Basta. Let's stop the clue. Basta, go for it.
I think it's Gambhir.
Gautam
Okay.
Gambhir is the right answer. Well done. You get 20 points for that guess. So this brings us to an end of today's round between 3 players, Basta, Akhil and Anil Adnani.
Pasta could have done much better actually.
I think Basta's, he knew a lot of answers, but I think his internet was a little slow or he was playing under pressure. I don't know. But anyway, it was well contested.
That's actually classic Basta for you. He knows the technique of playing, but he's always under pressure.
Was the score?
Momo, final
यार,
score,
guys,
please.
एक सेकंड चेक करो ये डीके जिंदा है कि-
डीके आवाज दे, थोड़ा आवाज तो दे. डीके किधर है?
अभी हम जिंदा है.
अभी उसको अमान का कॉल आएगा. डीके को अमान का कॉल आएगा.
डीके ने पहले राउंड के बाद विंडो बंद करके पोकर खेलना चालू कर दिया। बोला छोड़ो यार,
नहीं पोकर नहीं, लूडो खेल रहा था, लूडो।
लूडो खेल
मैं
रहा था।
टीटोस लेने चला गया था।
Alright, the final scores, because we have less than a minute. Akhil with 40, Anil 35, Basta at 25, and DK the Great at 10.
All right,
Akhil,
guys,
yaar,
well
what a
done.
player, Akhil, what a
All right.
player.
Good night,
So,
guys.